I would describe Sound Image Festival as varied and rich and sonically titillating.
Innovative, creative.
It's exciting, it's unusual, and it really makes you think.
Sound and Image has been a really interesting convergence of academia, artists working with emerging technology, and this intersection between moving image and spatial audio.
I am really excited to experience different types of works in really state-of-the-art facilities. I learned today that they have a 42-channel sound system in the venue that we were just in, which is a really unique experience to, experience ambisonic sound in a way that is really kind of difficult to find.
So to see maybe some tendrils from South America, continental Europe, just get a better idea of what's going on from a global perspective.
I think it's a place where you can share your work and yourself as you are with another people. So this is a very nice experience actually. Like, there's no strange person here. Everyone does a strange job somehow. So this is a very nice thing to be part of, yes.
So I'm here to present a piece of work called Takina Kawa, and it's been shown as a 360-degree piece in the amazing facilities at Greenwich University.
The main factor of my work is the seawater. So I use the seawater as an electrical conductor for making antennas, trying to make non-invasive technologies.
So I am showing an experimental film on Sunday during the screening entitled Silence is Deathly Painful.
I am here to share an audiovisual work called Sporewind 2 Swamp Thing, which was made in collaboration with the visual artist Daniel Tapper.
So it's really interesting to see lots of different work and be in a bit more of an academic space than normally I am with these kind of festivals.
As a classical composer, here I am particularly interested in formal aspects, also in harmony and what's going on in the kind of aesthetic developments. And I think I can take a lot back with me to Graz. I gained and I collected a lot of inspiration from great pieces of art which had great textures, brilliant thoughts, musical thoughts.
I think one of the key takeaways is that I should be working less in stereo and more in multi-channel sound, because all of the concerts that have really used the full array of speakers feel just substantial and satisfying in a way that I think I want to tap into a little bit more.
I think something very beneficial about attending this festival is being exposed to different kinds of artists, composers, makers, researchers, and really just helping to build that network, which I think community is so important for artists who are struggling to share their work and feel like they are important in the world. So the sense of community from this event I think is really fantastic.
Learning and experiencing lots of beautiful sculptural ambisonic work by lots of different artists and established names, and then I've been to the talks, and then just generally just meeting people and having really interesting chats and conversations around this sort of work, so it's been great.
Loud, diverse, also quiet sometimes. It's both intelligent and humanistic.
It's inviting, it's enjoyable, and it is full of great pieces of art.